Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Chalet at Falling Water close to bike trails. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Chalet at Falling Water close to bike trails in Bella Vista provides accommodations with free Wi-Fi, 11 miles from Peel Mansion and Historic Gardens, 12 miles from Midtown Shopping Center and 28 miles from Arkansas-Missouri Railroad. The property is 27 miles from Shiloh Memorial Park and 27 miles from Shiloh Museum. The vacation home features one bedroom, a TV with cable channels and a fully equipped kitchen that provides guests with a dishwasher, a microwave, a washing machine, a fridge and an oven. Towels and bed linen are provided in this accommodation. Park Spring Park is 11 miles from the vacation home, while Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art is 12 miles away. The nearest airport is Bentonville Municipal Airport, 14 miles from Chalet at Falling Water close to bike trails. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.